Hello, master the logic, simplify the math. Welcome to All About Math to solve a nice expression which is 4 power of a plus 4 power of a is equal to 400, and we have to find the value of a. So for this, let's find its solution. So here we will write the expression 4 power of a plus 4 power of a is equal to 400. 4 power of a is common in these both terms, so we will take it as common term. Now 4 power of a bracket. For this we will divide 4 power of a divided over 4 power of a, which will give us 1 plus same 4 power of a divided by 4 power of a, which is 1, is equal to 400. So the next step is 4 power of a into, we will add these both numbers, which is 2 is equal to 400. So now here we have to reduce these two. For this we will divide 2 on both sides. So here these 2 will cancel to these 2, and on the other side 400 divided by 2, which is 200. So now the next step is 4 power of a is equal to 200. So now here we will apply log on both sides. Log 4 power of a is equal to log 200. So this power of 4 means a will become will move to a base. A log 4 is equal to, so here we can't use 200 as it is, so for this we will break it down into 4 into 50 is equal to 200. So we will write 4 into 50 at the place of 200 in this expression, and we have log of bracket 4 into 50. So first of all we will reduce log of 4 in this expression, then we will solve log of 4 into 50. So for this we will divide log of 4 on both sides. Log of 4 over log of 4. So these log of 4 will cancel to each other, and we have a is equal to log of 4 into 50 divided by log of 4. So this part of the expression is in the form of log bracket a into b is equal to log of a plus log of b. So we will apply this log rule on this part of expression, and we will get a is equal to log of 4 plus log of 50 whole divided by log of 4. So now here we will separate their denominators according to the terms. In the next step is a is equal to log of 4 divided by log of 4 plus log of 50 divided by log of 4. So these will cancel to each other, and we have and will give us 1. A is equal to 1 plus log of 50 over log of 4. And now we have the expression a is equal to 1 plus log of 50 divided by log of 4. So in this expression you can see 50. We can't use 50 as it is. We will break it into more simple numbers. We can say 50 is equal to 2 into 25. So we will replace it with 50, and we have a is equal to 1 plus log of bracket 2 into 25 divided by log of 4. But we can write 4 is equal to 2 square. So now we have a is equal to 1 plus. So in this part of the expression we will apply the same property as we used on the previous part, which is log of a into b is equal to log of a plus log of b. So we will apply this on this part, and we have log of 2 plus log of 25 all divided by. So this power of 2 will move as a base. So 2 log of 2. So now we will separate their denominators, and we have a is equal to 1 plus log of 2 divided by 2 log of 2 plus log of 25 divided by 2 log of 2. So this log of 2 will cancel to this log of 2, and we have the remaining expression is a is equal to 1 plus 1 over 2 plus log of 25 divided by 2 log of 2. So now the next step is a is equal to, so we will solve 1 plus 1 over 2. It will give us 3 over 2 plus, we can write the 25 is 5 square. So log of 5 square over 2 log of 2. So now a is equal to 3 over 2 plus, so this power of 5 will move as base. So 2 log of 5 divided by 2 log of 2. So these two will cancel to each other, and we have a is equal to 3 over 2 plus log of 5 over log of 2. So in this part of the expression we will apply change of base rule, which is log of a over log of b is equal to log of a base b. So now we will apply this logarithm law on this part of the expression, and we have a is equal to 3 over 2 plus log of 5 with base 2. So this is the value of a, but we will check it if it is correct or not. For this we will verify it. So let's do it. So for this we will use original expression, which is 4 power of a plus 4 power of a is equal to 400. So we will solve it. 4 power of a will be common, and other 1 plus 1 is equal to 400. So this will become 2. 4 power of a into 2 is equal to 400. So in this expression we will put the value of a, which we find out. So 4 raised to power 3 over 2 plus log of 5 base 2 into 2 is equal to 400. So this part of the expression is in the form of a raised to power m plus n is equal to a raised to power m into a raised to power n. So we will apply this this rule on this part of the expression, and we have 4 power of 3 over 2 into 4 power of log of 5 base 2 into 2 is equal to 400. So we can write it as we can write the 4 as the power of 2, 3 over 2 into 2 power 2 power of base 2 is into 2 is equal to 400. So this 2 will cancel to this, and we have 2 power of 3 into, and this power will go to the will become the power of 5. We have 2 power of log 5 power 2 base 2 into 2 is equal to 400. So 2 power of 3 will become 8 into, and this square of 5 will become 2 log of 25 base 2 into 2 is equal to 400. So now we will a part of this expression, which is a power log p of a is equal to p. So we will apply this law on this part of the expression, and we have 8 into 25 into 2 is equal to 400. So 8 into 25 into 2 is 50. 8 into 50 is 400 is equal to 400. So here both sides are equal, so it means this value of A is the correct value. That's it for today's solution. If you enjoyed this video and learned a new trick, please give it a thumb up. If you have a different way to solve this problem or any question, feel free to comment below. I'd like to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to All About Maths for your daily dose of math challenges. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing.